Hello and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I am your hostess, Chef Carter, and I would like to welcome you to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today I have a couple exciting announcements for you. We are getting into the holidays, so if there are any recipes you want to know, just let me know in the comments what you would like to learn how to make. Also, I'm going to be doing some recipes, sweet potato pie, one of my favorites, and there's going to be a twist to it. And I'm also going to be doing mashed potatoes and rolls and cinnamon rolls, holiday cookies. So all of that is coming up. So I'm excited. I hope you are too. So there will be a little twist in the purple sweet potato pie. Okay, so I'm gonna make it my Prince show, and with that being my Prince show, I will be showing you guys this magazine, and as you can tell, it's in its original mailing sleeve. So my plan is to crack this baby open and see what's inside. This is a 1984 People's Magazine featuring Prince, and it's from November 19th. So I'm going to show you the video on November 19th. I'm so excited. I was actually able to find purple sweet potatoes again. Last time I had purple sweet potatoes, it was given to me by Scott's Farm in North Carolina while I was at the RNA show, and that's a National Restaurant Association, not the other one. Okay, so I was at the RNA show. They gave me sweet potatoes, but I had to buy my own this time, and I got these from Whole Foods, so hopefully they'll be really good. I actually bought 3 of them. I love potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. So before I get started, I wanted to do a couple of shout outs, not to forget anyone, but 2 for today. The first one will be to Dee in New York City. Hello sis, how you doing? I'm so excited that you are one of my guests that stops by. And another shout out will be to Stephen from the UK. Carter's Cooking Corner has gone international, and I'm so appreciative of those of you who stop by my show. I mean, there are people from the Philippines, people from the UK, people from Australia. As I say, I love everybody. You know, I don't care who you are or where you're from. You know, it's nothing but love here. So let's get started on the mashed potatoes today. So my potatoes, they are cooked now, and I'm going to go ahead and peel them. They're actually quite hot. So what I did was I cut this one in half, and now I'm pulling the peel off of it and taking out the eyes. There's a little eye right there. We'll just take him out. So I have the potatoes peeled. I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to kind of cut these in rough chunks before I start. It'll make them easier to mash up. Alright, now that I've cut these up in chunks, I have warmed up some milk and some butter. And I want to pour those in there to get the process started. Now, I'm definitely going to need a little more milk than this. If you need exact measurements, I do have the recipe on chefcarterscookingcorner.com, and that's actually a low-fat buttermilk mashed potato recipe. So whenever I make mashed potatoes, I like to make extra because you can do something with leftover mashed potatoes. What I like to do with them is make potato cakes, which that recipe will be coming out to you shortly. Alright, so you see this did not take long. This actually went a lot faster than I thought it would. I'm going to add some pepper now. A little bit of salt. A little bit more. Potatoes, they take a little more salt than other vegetables because they are so bland. I also like to put parsley flakes in my potatoes. Alright, so you're going to work this together, and this would be mashed potatoes right here. Alright, so you kind of want to work them off and smash them together a little more. You don't want to ever overwork your mashed potatoes because then they become starchy and the flavor is not so good. So you want to take a clean spoon and you want to taste okay, to me it's just right. It might need just a hair more salt. I'm going to put just a hair more. Sprinkle it all around so it's easier to mix. Alright. So then you have mashed potatoes. Now some of you may want looser potatoes, and all you have to do is add more milk. So you want to make sure your milk is warm when you add it. So you're going to see that this is going to become very creamy. Now you could also at this point use your mixer if you want it very creamy whipped potatoes. I like chunks in my potatoes, personally. So you can see I'm pushing it in and lifting it up. Make sure they're well mixed. Okay. Now I think that is really good there. Now that's a mashed potato. Now, I'm going to do a final test. Make sure you either wash the spoon you just used or get a new spoon to taste. Okay. So those are my mashed potatoes. Now if you did want them even creamier, just add a little more milk or cream, or in the recipe I have for buttermilk mashed potatoes, you could add more buttermilk. But when you do the buttermilk mashed potatoes, don't add too much buttermilk or they'll get a little tangy. Because a little buttermilk makes it taste really good. Too much buttermilk will have too much of a tang. Alright, so there we go. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you for the Prince Show. I'm so excited about that. Please make sure to comment. If you would like a shout out, let me know, okay? I love everyone. Lucas hopefully will be joining me soon for the next show. And I'm out of here.